Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Go to be a Java Programmer. Today is day 25 of our coding journey. In today's session, we'll discuss the drawbacks of arrays in Java. Understanding these limitations will help you make better decisions when designing your programs. Let's get started. So basically, how we will usually create the syntax for creating an array. So we'll keep the data type that is int and then the array name followed by the square brackets, then equal to obviously the keyword new in order to indicate that there is an object created. So of course creating an array is equivalent to creating an object, and then followed by the data type, and inside the square brackets you specify the size of the array, right? Yes. So since we use the keyword new, it indicates that we are creating an object, and this array creation gets stored in the heap memory. Okay, it's not in the stack memory, it's in the heap memory. So as I said that the variables, the local variables get stored in the stack memory, and this object creation, that is these reference variables, will be in the heap memory. So while creating the arrays, we fix the size to be, let's say 4 means it will create the space only for 4 in the heap memory. Now after deciding the program, you want it to change your mind to 7 integers, then you cannot be changing the array size to 7 from 4 to 7. So this is one of the drawback, that you cannot modify the size of the array. The second one is, since it's stored in the heap memory, the accessing is little difficult because it will be traversing from one element to another element, which makes the sorting or finding an element little bit difficult. It's not like not at all possible, but since traversing it from zeroth index till the last makes it little slower. So this is the second limitation. The third limitation is, still now what we have seen in the arrays are only of the integer data types, right? You cannot be using the other data types. Of course, the reason why we call it as drawback, because we have found the more advanced version of it, and that's why we call it as a drawback. Of course, we have found the solution of using the other data types too, but in this case we'll be using only integers and you cannot be using the others. And for using the other data types, we have something called as collections, but now it's not the time to learn about collections. We'll learn about it later, but till now these are the three main limitations which we must be aware of. First one is we cannot be changing the size is fixed. The second one is it travels and it traverses the entire array, so it is little slower. And the third one is only integer data types are allowed. So that's all for day 25. Today we discussed the main drawbacks of an arrays in Java, their fixed size, homogeneous data, and inefficient insertions and deletions, and the requirement for contiguous memory allocations. Understanding these limitations will help us decide when to use arrays and when to consider other data structures like lists or sets. So, thank you for joining me on day 25 of Let's Go to be a Java Programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 26. Happy coding!